Hello everyone. Previously, we had discussed about the ES6 template literals. Today, we'll be discussing about the advanced destructuring and rest or the spread operators. So, destructuring simplifies extracting values from the arrays or objects, as we know, right? What does the destructuring do? It simplifies extracting the values from the arrays or objects, while the rest and the spread operators handle variable arguments and cloning of arrays or objects, right? So the first example that we'll be going with is object destructuring with renaming. And then second example, let's go with the combining arrays with the spread operator, right? Um, so I'll just come here. Let's see the object destructuring with renaming. I'll just come here. Let me make use of the user. Within the object here, I'll just keep ID. Let's set this one to 1, and let me give username. Within the strings, I'll just give here Bharadwaj, right? Next, let's destructure the here a username, right? Here I'll just come username. 1 second, just give me a second here. I'll just key here username, user alias, right? Equal. Let me set this one to user. Finally, if I console log the user alias, so what output I need to get now here? This one, I need to get the output Bharadwaj, right? So we are renaming the we are doing the object destructuring with the renaming, right? So the output that we need to get here is Bharadwaj. Let's try running the code. We are getting the correct output Bharadwaj. Basically, I'll quickly explain what I have done here. The username property here, this one. This is property, this side is method, right? So the username property here is extracted from the user and renamed to the user alias. You can clearly see here. The user name property is extracted from the user. This is being extracted from here, right? Extracted from the user and renamed to user alias, and console log displays the extracted values, right? So the extracted value here is nothing but the Bharadwaj. So we are getting the correct output. So next, let's see how to combine the arrays with the spread operator. So this is simple concept. I'll just come here. Let me give within the array, I'll just quickly give 1, 2, 3 something, random numbers, and let me consider array 2 as I've considered 1, 2, 3. I'll just give here 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. Let me delete this one quickly. Yep. So I'll just come here. Let me keep the variable name combined, and let's make use of the spread operator with the 3 dots right here. I'll just give here array 1, array 2. So let's log something here. I'll just give log of combine. So here, if I try to run the code, I'll get the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 within the array. So I'll just quickly explain what I have done here. Here, this spread operator 3 dots that we are making use of here. So it expands the array 1 and array 2. This basically expands the array 1 and array 2 into individual elements. Nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Every element it expands into individual elements. Then the two arrays are merged into a new array that is combined, right? So we are getting the output in a single array, nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this concept, I hope this concept is completely clear. So now we saw the advanced destructuring and the rest or the spread operator along with the example, right? Object destructuring with the renaming we saw, and the second example we saw is combining the arrays with spread operator. So next topic we'll be discussing about discussing on is understanding the tagged templates. So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching.